Your engine could be dying right now, and your gauge may not warn you. It is not age, and it is not bad luck. It is coolant mistakes most drivers make without knowing. And that truth should scare you. Every year, millions of engines die from overheating. The hard truth is, most of those deaths were preventable. One wrong mix, one skipped step, one ignored sign. That is all it takes to end an engine. One day, the gauge looks normal, so you keep driving. The next day, it goes boom, and the damage is done. Now it is a blown gasket and a cracked radiator, and a $3,000 bill you did not expect. The worst part is, you never saw it coming. That is because no one taught you what to watch. There are 13 coolant habits that kill engines quietly. Stay till the end to save engines. This is the #1 coolant mistake that kills engines. Drivers mix green, orange, blue, or Dexcool without thinking. They look the same, so people assume they work the same. But mixing them creates poison inside the system. Coolant types react and turn into thick sludge. That sludge blocks the radiator and heater core. Flow slows down and heat starts to rise. SAE says protection can fail in just 2,000 miles. The damage builds quietly without warning signs. By the time you see heat, it is too late. One wrong bottle can cost thousands. And the next mistake is even more common. Here is mistake 2 that destroys engines slowly. This mistake happens when drivers use tap water. Tap water looks safe, so people trust it, but it carries minerals you cannot see. Those minerals stay inside the radiator. Over time, they turn into hard scale. Scale narrows the cooling passages. When flow drops, heat gets trapped. The engine starts running hotter each drive. Distilled water costs almost nothing. Tap water can cost an engine. And the next mistake is even more common. Here is mistake 3 many drivers never expect. You flush the system and fill it once. Then you close the cap and walk away. But trapped air is still inside. After the first drive, that air escapes. When air leaves, coolant level drops. Now parts of the engine run half dry. Mechanics call this the settling effect. 7 out of 10 DIY flushes fail this way. The system looked full, but it was not. Air cannot cool metal surfaces. And the next mistake traps heat even faster. Now mistake 4 that hides very well. After a coolant change, air stays trapped inside. That gurgling sound behind the dash is air. Air blocks coolant from flowing correctly. Blocked flow creates hot spots in the engine. Hot spots bend metal and blow gaskets. Many cars have bleed valves for this reason. Most drivers never use them. So engines overheat on cool days. The fix takes minutes. The damage costs thousands. And the next mistake comes from a trusted bottle. Here is mistake 5 that sounds safe, but is not. Universal Coolant promises 1 bottle for every car. That promise feels easy, so drivers trust it. But engines are built with different metals. Many modern engines need silicate-free coolant. Universal formulas can react with aluminum parts. That reaction speeds up corrosion inside. Prestone tests show water pumps can fail early. Early failure means leaks and sudden overheating. The bottle said safe for all. Your engine paid the price. And the next mistake destroys coolant over time. Here is mistake 6 that fools careful drivers. Coolant still looks bright and clean, so people assume it still works. But protection fades long before color changes. Additives break down slowly over time. When they fade, coolant turns acidic. That acid eats gaskets and sensors. Radiators corrode from the inside. Manufacturers say change coolant every few years. Used cars often miss this step. Old coolant hides ticking damage. And the next mistake happens while filling. Here is mistake 7 that feels smart but causes damage. Drivers think more coolant means more safety, so they fill the reservoir to the top. But cooling systems need empty space. That space allows coolant to expand with heat. Without space, pressure rises fast. High pressure forces coolant out of hoses. Sometimes it blows the cap off completely. When the engine cools, air gets sucked back in. That air creates hot spots inside the engine. The fix is simple and boring. Fill only between the min and max lines. And now, look at the small part everyone ignores. Here is mistake 8 that almost nobody checks. That small cap is not just a cover. It controls pressure inside the system. Pressure keeps coolant from boiling too early. When the cap weakens, pressure drops. Low pressure lets coolant boil fast. Boiling coolant creates steam, not cooling. Steam makes engines overheat suddenly. Cracked seals and weak springs cause this. A $10 cap can fail quietly. Ignoring it can blow a head gasket. And the next mistake looks like a quick fix, but ruins engines. Here is mistake 9 that destroys cooling systems quietly. Drivers see a small leak and panic, so they pour in stop leak. It feels fast, cheap, and smart. But stop leak spreads inside everything. It coats radiator tubes and heater cores. Flow drops as sludge hardens. Heat gets trapped where cooling should happen. Mechanics call it engine cholesterol. The leak stops, but damage grows. A small hose fix turns into big repairs, and the next mistake hides in a tiny valve. Here is mistake 10 that fails without warning. The thermostat controls coolant flow. It opens when hot and closes when cold. This small valve controls everything. Most drivers never think about it. When it sticks open, fuel economy drops. When it sticks closed, heat gets trapped. Trapped heat boils coolant fast. That is when engines fail suddenly. Mechanics call it a silent killer. Replace it every 5 years or 60,000 miles. Cheap thermostats fail early, and the next part fails even faster if ignored. Here is mistake 11 that drivers overlook. The water pump moves coolant every second. When it fails, overheating happens fast. But pumps give warnings before failing. Small leaks appear under the engine. Soft whining noises rise with RPM. White crust forms around the pump. Many drivers ignore these signs. If the pump locks, engines suffer. AAA links many breakdowns to ignored pumps. The clues were there all along. And the next mistake keeps damage alive. Here is mistake 12 after overheating. Drivers fix the issue and move on, but the coolant inside is damaged. Boiled coolant turns acidic. That acid carries metal debris. Refilling without flushing keeps poison inside. Brown coolant shows contamination. Aluminum fins corrode from within. Mechanics warn this damage keeps growing. The problem looks solved, but it is not. And the final mistake is a myth many believe. Here is the mistake 13 that fools drivers for years. Many people think coolant is only for heat. They believe antifreeze is only for winter. But coolant and antifreeze are the same thing. Coolant protects engines in every season. In winter, it stops freezing damage. In summer, it stops overheating damage. But its biggest job is corrosion protection. Aluminum engines corrode without proper mix. Damage happens even while parked. Always keep a 50-50 mix. More antifreeze hurts flow and raises heat. Now ask yourself, what is inside your engine? These 13 mistakes are not rare. They are happening in millions of cars right now. They work quietly until damage is done. Most drivers notice only when the gauge spikes. The cooling system is the most ignored system. Oil gets attention, but coolant gets forgotten. Forgotten coolant slowly loses protection. Overheating is not bad luck. It comes from skipped steps and wrong choices. Every one of these mistakes is preventable. Your cooling system stands between life and failure. It protects silently every mile. Millions of engines die each year from this. Now you know why. This video was not meant to scare you. It was meant to warn you early. 13 mistakes kill engines every day. Now you know how to stop them. Check your coolant before damage starts. Protect your engine before the gauge spikes. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for real car care truth. Share this to save another engine.